What's this here?
It's hotel.
So this is your town?
Yeah.
How many people do you think live in your town, maybe?
Maybe is 17.
And this is a playing field. Do you have a library?
No.
Hospital?
No.
Police station?
Oh.
It's a very small town, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, so, in which city do you live?
I live in Hanoi City.
In Hanoi City. So, what are the places that you can see in your city?
I see the park, the police station, the bus station, cinema, and more.
And where do you go to have fun?
I go to the park, the cinema, the zoo to have fun.
Okay. What ways can you have fun in the park?
I can slide on slide, play the seesaw, fly kite, and play football.
Okay. Nancy, you know what rules are, don't you?
Yes.
What rules are there in public parks?
People do not throw the trash.
Yeah.
Don't step in the grass.
Mm-hmm.
Don't pick out the flower and leaf.
Okay, good girl. So, where do you go to shop?
I go to the shopping mall to shop.
What do you usually buy in the shopping mall?
I buy some food, drinks, and buy for a little brother.
Do you ever buy clothes?
Yeah.
So who buys the clothes, you or mum? Oh, does mum buy clothes for dad also?
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you ever been to the zoo?
Yes.
What animals do they keep at the zoo?
I see elephant, tiger, lion, hippopotamus, a zebra, and bird.
Wow, that's a big zoo. Yes? So, where do people come to work in the city?
People come to the skyscraper to work. And the
Restaurant, yes. And
hotel,
the hotel. And one more? Super.
the police officer.
The police office. Yeah, okay, that's good. Do you know the name of any skyscrapers in Hanoi?
Yeah.
What?
It's a hotel.
Yeah, I'll say, yeah.
Hotel.
Oh, you do know some. Wow. Okay. Which stadium is the largest stadium in Hanoi?
It's Meeting Stadium.
Have you been there?
I've been there when I'm 4 years old.
Why did you go? Did you go to watch football?
Yeah.
Wow. Who was the team?
I don't remember.
Okay, that's okay. So, where do people park their cars in your city?
People park their car in a parking garage.
Okay. If people don't have a car, how do they get around your city?
People go to the around city by motorbike, the bike, catch the bus.
Oh, you can get a bus?
Yeah.
Goes around the city?
Yeah.
Wow. That's called, what is that called? A city route or a city tour? What's it called? That's a city tour, okay. So, if you plan a trip in the city, what would you do?
I will camping with there.
You would go camping?
In a park.
Camping in the park with whom?
I go with my families
And would you sleep in a tent or a hotel?
in a tent.
Oh, that sounds exciting. That sounds really exciting. So, do you like living in your neighbourhood?
Yes.
And is there a lot of streets and houses?
Yeah.
In your neighbourhood?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you think I would like your neighbourhood?